Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to learn how to log into AmeriSave Mortgage account online step by step. First of all, open any web browser of your preference on your computer, your laptops or your tablets or even your mobile device. In the URL box type in amerisave.yourmortgageonline.com and search. You'll now end up in this AmeriSave Mortgage sign-in portal. Here, go to the right-hand corner and enter your username associated with your mortgage account and then your password on the next field. If you don't remember your username and password, click on the Forgot Username and Forgot Password link respectively and follow through the on-screen instructions to find your credential. After entering your correct credential, click the Login button and for added security, AmeriSave may ask you for a verification code sent to your phone or email. Enter the code when prompted and then you'll be able to access your AmeriSave Mortgage account's dashboard. There you can view payment info, loan details, and more. So that is how you can easily log into your AmeriSave Mortgage account online. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.